cooking time! Ayan, magluluto tayo ng crabs. Ayan, nag-ice pa. Lalaga ko lang. Ayan. Our lunch today is Tuesday. Stay tuned. And of course, I grilled also the bitter gourd. Ayan, sausaw ko sa bago. And of course, steam green beans. And of course, almost done our curry. And almost done our food. So, we're going to eat now, guys. And this is my food, Ilocana food. And steam green beans. And of course, there you go, our sausawan and kamatis and onions with chili. And with bagoong or fish sauce with vinegar. And there is a vinegar also for this. Okay, I hope you will like it. Yan, kain na tayo. Yan, kain na tayo, guys. Mainit-init pa. So, we're going to start our this bitter gourd. Ayan, inihaw. Nasunog na siya. But it's okay. Ayan. And of course, I'm gonna saw here. Dip on my favorite fish sauce. And bite it. Okay? Yummy. And of course, with the rice. Diet rice. Okay. And of course, there is a kamatis, tomato. And we're going to take crabs. Krabby. Ayan, nakakamiss, di ba? Ayan. It's not bad, guys. Ayan, it's fatty. Our crabs today. I really like this. Mapait-pait siya na masarap. Imihaw na ampalaya. Sausawan sa bagoong isda. Ella, hi. So, thank you so much for watching. And of course, our steam green beans and sausaw also there. Crunchy. So it's Tuesday today here in Baguio, Philippines. Ayan. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you will like our lunch. Yes. Steam green beans and grilled bitter gourd. So there is na. So you make a dip like this, okay? And then eat. Bite. Yummy. Yummy.